Hello, welcome back to Between the Keys. I'm going to teach you the Pirates of the Caribbean theme, which is called He's a Pirate, by Klaus Badelt and Hans Zimmer. Okay, you're going to get the melody from me first. It's the easy version, and then I'll go over the chords. Obviously, the original is quite fast. It's fast like that. If you listen to the original. But I'll teach it to you slowly, of course. So starting on A, the song is actually in D minor, but the song starts on an A note and plays A, C, D, D, then goes up to F and back down to D. All right? Plays that twice. On the third one, it doesn't play an E there. It goes, skips the E and goes straight up to F, then up to B flat, A, G, A, D, and then D, E, F, F, G, A, D, D, E, D, F, E, D, C, D. You can sing along with it, because you'll know it from the movie. And that whole thing I just played goes around twice. So that's our first melody. The chords are D minor to B flat, to A minor, to D minor. With some bass, you might have like this. Da-da-dun, dun, da-da-dun, dun, da-da-dun, dun, da-da-dun, da-da-dun, dun, da-da-dun, dun. Oops. Chords and melody. D minor to B flat, A minor, back to D minor. We go back to B flat, to C again, to D minor again. So D minor, B flat, A minor, D minor. The second one, B flat, F, C, D minor. D minor again, G minor. This is the third one. Up to B flat, down to D minor. The last one is B flat to D minor, A, and then A7 it says. And that whole thing plays twice, but I won't play it again. I'll move on to the next melody now. The next melody is bum, bum, dun, 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 dun. It's just D minor to C. That's the two chords. And the melody is ba na 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 na. No, it's ba 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 da. And again, G, A, B flat, and with the chords, or bass, don't go to C too early. Actually, before we play that, there's one other melody note that I missed out, a few melody notes. When we get to the end of the first melody and it goes B flat, B flat chord to D minor. We'll play from a bit earlier than that. Then we have A, right? Yeah, we have this part here. a D minor chord, and a G minor chord. And then we have bom, 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 a very atmospheric film music type part there. So D minor, G minor, and bom, 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 bom at the end of. That's where that part comes in. Bum, 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 bum. And then that part that we just did. Okay, the third melody, which we're moving on to, it's the third part of the song, goes to like an adventure theme, which is da 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 na 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 na. Starts on D. Da 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 da. And the second one, da 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 na 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 na. And with the chords, it would be D minor, da 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 na 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 da 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 na 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 da 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 na 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 na. D minor, C, F and to B flat, F to A minor and D minor to finish. Okay, let's try it with the chords. So D minor first, to C, the first one. Da 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 da. F to B flat. Back to F. And to A minor. To D minor. The second one, D minor first. To C. To F. Da 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 da. That's the second one. B flat, okay? G minor, B flat, A minor, and A7 again, you've seen before. That's your A7 chord. And we're at the end of the song now. And the end of the song is similar to that. It's similar to that second one, but it's slightly different. It's the fourth one now, the final part. Da 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 na 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 na. G minor, D minor. Those are the chords, and the melody is da da A B flat ba ba ba. Ba, 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 da. So it's A, B flat, A, G, and then da, na, 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 na. And then again, ba, 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 da, da, up to C. Na, 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 da, na. And that's the end of the song. That's the very final melody. So with the chords, it would be D minor first, to B flat, to F, to C, and then G minor, ba, to D minor, da, to A7, da, na, 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 to D minor. Then again, A, B flat, da, 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 G minor, da, D minor, da, A7, da, na, na, na. And that is the Pirates of the Caribbean theme. He's a Pirate. Try playing it slow, all those four parts. And then try and speed it up. So eventually you need to be at this speed, right? Don't forget the different melody there. To B flat. B flat. Ah. Or on A7. Dun 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 da da dun dun da da dun. At least that kind of tempo you need to be aiming for, but start slow. As always, thanks for watching Between the Keys. Hopefully you'll like and subscribe if you enjoyed this video, and I shall see you in the next one. Put your comments below of what you think of this, and if you want other songs, you can request them. Check out this piano I'm using here. You can't see, it's just off camera. It's Roland FP-30x. I'll put a link in the description. It's a digital piano. I'll just show you. I can just tilt the camera down a bit. You see it in all the videos I do. And yeah, it's pretty great. Pretty good one. So check it out if you're looking for a digital piano yourself. And I shall see you in the next one. Goodbye. Thanks.